Dead Man. Today I'm going to the zoo, and guess what it's called? Yes, that's right, the Crazy Zoo. So come on, follow me. Going to the zoo. Going to the zoo. Hey, you say?
Yes.
Do you work here?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. I'm Dead Man. Nice to meet you too.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, that's enough.
Yes.
So, okay.
Here's the
I get
animals over here.
Yeah, so you have animals?
Oh, come on.
What was that for?
'Cause you're a silly boy.
Help me up, please. No.
There you go. These are lions.
Lions? Oh, they're pretty. What's that over there?
These are. This is a tiger.
Tiger?
Yes, he's not there. These are the pandas.
Oh, pandas.
Yes.
Oh, look at them. Oh, that's a loud scene. Excuse you, buddy. Oh. Is this an elephant?
Yes, it's an elephant.
What's wrong with him? Does he have problems? Yeah? Yeah? You okay? You okay?
I just joked. I just ate a strawberry. Okay, yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What's these babies?
This is Sugar Glider. He doesn't like to be pet.
Oh, he doesn't? Okay, pinch my eyes. Oh! Oh! Pee-pee! Oh, gosh! Oh!
Come on.
Is that all you have today?
Yes. Yes. Hi. Little.
A crossface?
No! 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 It's nothing.
Ow! Oh, what was that? That's either a bear.
Yes, he was a bear. And
Ow! Oh, do I have any cuts at all? Oh, okay. Bye, folks. See you next time.
Goodbye. Goodbye.